between best offer and floor price, always a bit of a short-term bearish flag for me. But yeah, if you buy this, you will get whitelist for the Muhammad Ali one. And this is what you can imagine the Muhammad Ali one will look like. Generative art of different poses and pictures of Muhammad Ali.
Yeah, I don't have any thoughts on that, like at all. Like it's cool, but
Cool. The next one we got over here is Claire Silver, who is a very well-known Web3 artist. Is going to be premiering her next collection at the Louvre, right?
who is this?
I've actually been here.
Oh,
Quite
nice.
cool.
Who is this person?
Claire Silver.
Who's that?
So she's quite well known as an artist in the space. You can see here she's got 74,000 followers. We'll jump on here to her website and oh, sorry, it opened in a new window by
Is that
mistake.
Punk? Does she have Punk 1629?
It seems that way, yeah.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, she's got her own collection over here. AI art since 2018. Founder Accelerate Art. So she's going to actually have a NFT collection featured in the Louvre, bro. That's
Wow.
like quite a
That's
big thing, bro.
Yeah, that's
Like,
really cool.
That's where the Mona Lisa is.
Mm-hmm. Damn.
Well,
Right.
apparently it's not the real one on display.
Oh, yeah, definitely not the real one, but
for safety reasons.
I only know that because of National Treasure and Angels and Demons, I think it was. Da Vinci Code, maybe, like those kind of movies. The only reason I even know that stuff. I've never been in that.
Also, we saw that whole movement of people like pouring mustard and stuff on art. Do you remember? I don't know why.
Wait, say it again?
We saw that whole movement of people who were destroying art in art galleries and handcuffing themselves. I remember a few months ago, it was all over Twitter. They like people would, environmentalists would go into an art gallery and like put mayonnaise or art or whatever on a art piece, and then did you not see it? It was
wait. I remember the one where they put up like this is there's no point to this art, and they stuck it over the water fountain. Is that what you're talking about?
Not that.
Like it was like something where they were like trying to make fun of people's art, and so they like stuck a piece of like not real art on like the top of the water fountain in a museum, and everyone was taking pictures of it because they were like, "This is amazing," and it like ended up staying up all day, and like nobody realized it wasn't supposed to be there. Like, oh my god, dude, art really is what you make of it.
For sure, man. So yeah, man, I think that's cool. I'm going to see her in the Louvre, bro. How cool!
Lit.
But hold on, actually, there's been a tweet here. This is breaking news. Hold on, I think I actually have a breaking news thing for you. I wasn't expecting this, but let's do it. All right, breaking news. So there's a tweet that she did here 30 minutes ago. And she says here, and it's a thread. And then I saw something. So I'm discovering this with you. So she says, I was advised not to tweet until things were more clear. It's been very hard to sit on my hands and see the notifications roll in. I can't do it anymore. I'm a transparent person, so I'm going to be transparent. This is my understanding of what happened. Okay. And this was from 10:16 p.m. and it's now 10:52 p.m. my time here. So it's half an hour ago. This is what I hate about threads, bro. To find her actual. Okay, here we go. So Super Chief was approached by a rep of Paris Blockchain Week while at NFT Paris. They talked on the exhibition I co-curated, and at the end, they asked Super Chief if they wanted to exhibit an artist at the Louvre. Very specific wording, multiple times for over a week at the Louvre. Super Chief called me and asked if I wanted to exhibit there. We were both thrilled. Absolute dream come true. Of course, I said yes. My team arranged a call with the agency to share the news. They were also thrilled. Over the next few days, Super Chief, my agency, and my team worked together to get a press release with Variety magazine, which came out on Monday. It went viral in a way I've never experienced. Was maybe the best day of my life. I assume by the time the Variety article came out, everything was ironclad and in writing. That was a mistake. On Wednesday, I started to see comments accusing me, my agency, and Super Chief of fraud. The Louvre began being contacted by people and rightfully stated they weren't exhibiting me. The first time either Super Chief or I heard the word carousel was Wednesday. By Thursday, Super Chief had tried its best to right the issue and were told I would be displayed in the Pyramida du Louvre, the glass pyramid that is at the entrance of the museum. This morning, that offer was rescinded and I was told I would be in the carousel. This is obviously not what Super Chief WME or I had understood. It's not what Variety was told, and it's not what I tweeted. At this point, I'm going to pull out of the Paris exhibition altogether, and I'm considering further options. What should have been the highlight of my life has turned into a multi-day taste of hell. It was arrogant of me to believe it was possible to be displayed at the Louvre in any context. To be honest, so many unbelievable things have happened to me in the last 2 years. I'm honestly not sure what's possible anymore. With that said, please understand that I did not build a reputation over 2 years on lies about something so easy and inevitably disproven, especially not when I've been fortunate enough to have such incredible career trajectory already. I don't blame Super Chief, I don't blame my team, my agency, or Variety, all of which I admire and respect. I blame the person from the Paris blockchain that repeatedly misrepresented the event, and I blame myself for not having it in writing before letting my excitement and naivety carry me to Twitter. I'm going to take a few days away from social media. All right, well, lucky I saw that. So Claire Silver will not be um, exhibiting at the Louvre.
Rip.
I don't know what the yeah, shame. I don't know what the carousel is. Um, if it's got nothing to do with the Louvre or what it is, but yeah, okay. So that is not happening.
Well, that's embarrassing. It's not embarrassing, but that's a letdown. Goddamn. Let's move on to the next